what do you do? How do you fix a hand grip that's either non-existent or it's in disrepair? Well, today we're going to go over all your options. First thing a lot of people are going to say is duct tape. Our well-known friend and close cousin, electrical tape. Rubber insulating tape. You can find this stuff at Lowe's. The well-known plasti dip. You can buy this stuff at Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's, all the above mentioned stores. Basic ratchet you get with most cheap sets. And this here on this one is 5 layers of plasti dip. I did 2 layers of plasti dip. Okay? The first layer, then the second layer. Then I took this sand-like substance and I rolled this in it. It has about the consistency of like soft pretzel salt. And so then I did 2 more coats after dipping it in the sand. Okay, so here's 5 coats of plasti dip on the same style wrench. This is 4 coats. 2 coats, sand, then 2 more coats. This is much better, in my opinion. This is called a regrip. I'm an industrial technician by trade, so this looked real familiar to me. And this is referred to in the industry as cold shrink tubing. You put the grip on in a place where you want it. You want to hold the whole thing, and you're pulling this in. Now we've got a little bit pulled, and you see what's happened there. And now I'm going to pull the rest of the way. And there we are. All done. You end up with a lot of coil. And this is a very nice grip for my jack handle. And here we have a Stanley hammer. Once you got it locked in, start pulling. And look at that. I almost did that just perfect. Let's get these breaker bars. I am not keen. I'm cheap, man. I think most people know that, but I'm cheap. I don't want to pay extra money for an extra grip on a tool. Not if I can come up with something myself. There we go. There we have it. Look at that. Form fit just fine. It's going on this Craftsman, brand new Craftsman ratchet. 36 tooth, the old style. That's pretty cool. We'll just trim that off. And even though it's still got that square feel, now it feels a lot better in the hand. Alright guys, I kind of gave it a little notch there. We're going to see how that does. I'm going to try to, real careful like, going to try to put this here. Pull a couple more teeth. Okay, now we're getting there. See, that's where the, if you guys are watching this, that's where the notch came into play. So I just notched it a little bit, and now we're going all the way. Right there on the main part of my grip for my gun, I have a nice, solid, rubberized grip on this HVLP spray gun. That's it, guys. I want you to subscribe for more content. This is Matt from Just Wrench It. I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.